Hi guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today I'd like to have a quick chat about these new access points from Space Television. Our product code is VAP4641. The manufacturer is Arris, but obviously we've got quite a nice package available for you. So in the box you get the user manual, you get one access point over here, just grab it out, and then obviously there's the power cable and the plug adapter over there. So let me put that stuff aside. Please do take the time to read through the manual. It does give you the setup process, so it's very easy, a couple of quick steps to get this unit connected up to give you guys Wi-Fi. Just very briefly on the device itself, there's a power switch. This device comes in the off position by default, so in order to switch it on, press the button up. The reset button is located underneath that. Here we have the 220 volt and a figure of 8 cable, as well as a network port if you are hardwiring this in, or if you are using it as the primary access point in your Wi-Fi at your house. At the back here you will see there's the 5 GHz SSID and the 2.4 GHz SSID, as well as the wireless key that's there. And then it obviously gives you the default IP address and username and password to log into the device. And if you have a look here, here's our call center number and our email address if you guys get stuck, and a QR code that you can scan, and it will take you directly to the manual. And we're going to load a couple of videos like this over there just in case you guys get stuck. If you guys have got any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with us and we'll do our best to help you. Have a fantastic day.